guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something easy and taste when it's always is the best. We're going to make pumpkins spaghetti. We need pumpkins. We're gonna make a like sauce. I already cut it, but you have to cut just skewer. Small you cut, sooner they melt. Okay? I'm gonna use some black and brown olives, some garlic and parsley. We don't need anything else. Okay? Oil, a little bit generous amount. Garlic inside. Just we wait the garlic gonna brown it a little bit, and we're gonna add the pumpkin. Okay? Yeah. This is already time too. Inside, depends for how many people you wanna cook it, but gonna be a little touch of sauce. Okay? Now we leave to cook around 10 minutes. Put the lid on. Careful, if I need a little bit of water, put it. If not, no, because the pumpkin is gonna get rid of the water. Okay guys, something like that. Still not hard because it's just 3 minutes like that. Just with some salt and pepper, mix again. And we add, in this case, a little bit of water. Yeah. Now again lid on. Another 6-7 minutes it will be ready. See you soon. Okay guys, when the pumpkin start be like that, you squeeze a little bit, press a little bit, okay? It's time, leave to cool, add a little bit of water and put the spaghetti in. Later they're gonna be al dente and we put in this sauce and we mix together, okay? And I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, the sauce is ready, gonna be like that. The pasta is already al dente. This going again on now. I take all this pasta and we cook in this sauce now. We save some water always. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna mix everything. Oh yeah. If it's dry a little bit like that, add some water, you know, mix everything. Now we add the olives. Now we cook a little bit, around a couple minutes, and I show you when you're gonna taste it, okay? Oh, look there guys. Pumpkin, spaghetti and olives is ready. Easy. Now, even is super hot, but I want to do this test because Enrico, my son, he gonna eat straight away.
Hello. Ciao.
Al bacio. It's absolutely delicious. Guys, the pumpkin spaghetti and olives is this. Easy.
And
guys.
it can be called Halloween spaghetti as well.
Yeah. If you like, finger up.
Finger up and
follow
follow us. Ciao.
Bye bye.